Hello and welcome. It seems I have found Q-Bert. Layer 1 or 2. I'm going to press 1. Okay, now this is a funny game in that you have to kind of jump diagonally. And I think those things, oh dear, those things do bad things to you. Yes, I have died. Alright. Oh, where am I? Is that me? Oh, that's me now. And that's never good. As I say, it's a weird game. Oh, that was kind of sneaky. Oh dear. I died again. So. Oh, I guess I'm done. Well, that wasn't so good. Alright, level 1. So basically I gotta turn the blue things yellow and not die. Damn. Died again. Oh, I continue from here, right. Oh, damn. Alright, I continue from here. I'm gonna go down here. Damn. Am I done again? Alright, let me see if I can get through one level. I get it. Turn the blue things yellow. No. I guess near the top is the danger spot. No, you don't. You are not going to get me. I'll just jump off the edge. That was beautiful. Oh, I'm at the top now. Why did... No! I did again. Oh, man. Alright. One player game. This is not getting any better. It really isn't. Alright. I wonder what those things are there. I'm dead. I'm dead again. Oh, no, I start there. What's that thing? No, that thing. Oh. I see. It's kind of like an escape. Get out. That didn't go well. I'm dead again. Is that the game? That's the game. Alright, let's try that. Let's try that again. Oh no, come on, get out of there. I've got to get that top one. No! Oh. Brilliant. No, you don't. No, you don't. You're not gonna get me. You're not gonna get me. You're not gonna get me. You're gonna get me. Why did I do that? I jumped right into it. Am I over? I'm done again. Oh, I just want to make it through level 1. Get away from me, get away from me, get away from me. Damn. Damn. Where am I? That was great. I had it going pretty well. Oh no, I'm dead again. And that's probably the game. Oh, man. Alright. We'll try again. Alright. No. Why did I jump there? Damn. I may have to just realize that I'm not going to make it through level 1. This is not going well. My frustration level rises. What? No. Oh, he didn't jump that way. Is it done again? Oh my god. Oh, all right. One more try. I see that. I know what I'm doing, but I don't know what I'm doing. Go! Get away! Oh, no! Jumped off the side. No. Okay, let's try that. Get away from me! Get away from me! No! It was so close. Oh, you know what? I can't do this. Not right now. I'll try again later. Bye for now.